Hey there, content creators. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to using ChatGPT for all your content needs. Whether you're writing blogs, planning a product launch, or setting up a content calendar, ChatGPT can save you tons of time. I'll walk you through easy steps, tips, and tricks to make the most of ChatGPT as your AI content assistant. Plus, I'll share some examples, common mistakes to avoid, and advanced tips to level up your content creation game. Alright, let's start with some go-to prompts for content creation. These will help you get fast, relevant ideas from ChatGPT. Here are a few you can try out. For blog intros, ask ChatGPT to generate an introduction for a blog about your topic. Need a script for tutorial, video? Just prompt with write a step-by-step script for topic. Planning content? Ask ChatGPT to create a calendar with X number of blog ideas to keep you organized. Launching a product? Get a checklist by prompting generate a checklist for launching your product. Now, for the best results, follow these simple best practices. Be clear and specific with your instructions. Start with clear goals in mind, like what's the purpose of this content? Use complete sentences so ChatGPT understands the context. Set a response length. You don't want overly long or super short responses. Refine and review the output. Remember, AI can help a lot, but it's still good to add your unique touch. And here's a pro tip. Try not to overload ChatGPT with too much information in one prompt. If you have a big task, break it down into smaller prompts for better results. Let's talk workflow. This will help you go from idea to final content step by step. First, define your purpose. Ask yourself, what's the goal of this content? Identify your audience. Know who you're talking to. Outline your structure. Map out the main points. Draft the content with ChatGPT. Let it fill in details while you guide. Remember to edit and refine. Clean up, add a personal touch, and use tools like Hemingway to simplify. Do a bit of SEO optimization to make it search-friendly. And finally, do a last review. Read it over and make sure it aligns with your brand. Sticking to this workflow can make content creation feel a lot less overwhelming. Before we go further, let's talk about a few common mistakes people make with ChatGPT. First, don't be vague with your prompts. Specificity is key. Second, avoid using overly complex language or long-winded instructions. Try to keep it simple. Third, don't expect ChatGPT to do everything perfectly without your input. AI can make mistakes. Remember to review output provided, and if needed, make changes. Always review and refine the results. Knowing these pitfalls can save you a lot of time and make ChatGPT work better for you. Different types of content need different styles, right? Here are some frameworks to get you started. Hero, great for educational content. You build on each point. Listicles, perfect for those quick, easy to read lists. Inverted pyramid, best for news or press releases, where you lead with the most important info. Storytelling, awesome for engaging narrative-driven content. Fab, focuses on features, advantages, and benefits. Ada, ideal for persuasive writing, like ads. Now, for some quick content tips. When creating, always aim for value. Make sure your audience learns something. Engagement, keep it interesting. Originality, add your voice and unique perspective. Clarity, simple language works best. SEO focus, include keywords to boost reach. AI can also help you to discover best keywords for your content. Consistency, keep your tone steady. These are the building blocks of effective content. Stick to these and you'll keep your readers coming back for more. For those who are ready to take it to the next level, here's an advanced tip. Use a prompt chain technique. This means creating a series of prompts that build on each other. For example, start with a rough outline prompt, then move to detailed sections, and finally, ask for editing suggestions. It's like having ChatGPT co-write with you, step by step. Once you get comfortable with this, you'll be creating top-notch content with ChatGPT in no time. Let's put this all together with a quick case study. Imagine you're launching a new product. Here's how you could use ChatGPT. Ask for a checklist of tasks for launching. Get content ideas for blog posts or social media. Use it to draft email sequences for your launch. Finally, generate SEO-friendly descriptions to attract traffic. This is just one example of how ChatGPT can support you at every stage of content creation. Finally, let's talk tools. Here are some AI tools that can make your work easier. Miro for brainstorming ideas visually. Notion for organizing content plans. Grammarly to catch grammar slips. Canva for designing social media posts. Hemingway. Editor to make your writing simple and clear. Sanebox to keep your inbox under control. Trello for managing projects and tasks. Using these tools with ChatGPT gives you a powerful setup for creating content efficiently and effectively. That's a wrap on the ultimate guide to using ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or just getting started with content, I hope this helps you unlock all the ways ChatGPT can support your work. Remember, it's all about giving clear instructions, following a workflow, and making the content your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on using AI for content creation. Also, share in the comments if you've tried using ChatGPT for content. I'd love to hear about your experiences or answer any questions you have.